Tax tips. Get tips on how to maximize your tax savings, so you can keep more of your hard-earned money. Taxes are an inevitable part of life, but that doesn't mean you have to pay more than you need to. In this video, we'll provide you with practical tax tips to help you maximize your tax savings and keep more of your hard-earned money. We'll cover a range of topics, from deductions and credits to retirement accounts and tax planning strategies. You'll learn how to take advantage of tax breaks and credits that you may not have known about, and how to make the most of your retirement accounts to reduce your taxable income. We'll also discuss tax planning strategies, such as timing your deductions and contributions, and how to stay organized throughout the year so that you're prepared come tax season. By following these tax tips, you can save money on your taxes and put that money towards achieving your financial goals. Whether you're a new taxpayer or an experienced filer, there's always something new to learn about maximizing your tax savings. Remember, taxes can be complex, so it's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional or use tax software to ensure that you're taking advantage of all available deductions and credits. In summary, taxes can be a significant expense, but with the right strategies and knowledge, you can maximize your tax savings and keep more of your hard-earned money. So, start incorporating these tax tips into your financial planning today and take control of your finances. One of the most important tax tips is to keep good records throughout the year. This means keeping track of all your income, expenses, and receipts, and organizing them in a way that makes it easy to prepare your taxes. By staying organized, you can ensure that you're claiming all available deductions and credits, and avoid mistakes or omissions that could lead to costly penalties. Another tax tip is to take advantage of retirement accounts. Contributions to traditional retirement accounts, such as 401(k)s and IRAs, are tax-deductible, which means they can reduce your taxable income and lower your tax bill. Plus, these accounts provide tax-deferred growth, which means you won't pay taxes on your earnings until you withdraw the money in retirement. You may also be eligible for tax credits, which are even more valuable than deductions since they reduce your tax bill dollar for dollar. Common tax credits include the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, the Child Tax Credit, and the American Opportunity Tax Credit, which can help offset the cost of higher education. When it comes to deductions, there are many opportunities to reduce your taxable income. Common deductions include charitable contributions, mortgage interest, state and local taxes, and medical expenses. By keeping track of these expenses throughout the year, you can ensure that you're claiming all available deductions and maximizing your tax savings. Finally, tax planning is an important aspect of minimizing your tax bill. This involves reviewing your finances and making strategic decisions, such as timing your deductions and contributions, to minimize your tax liability. By working with a tax professional or using tax software, you can ensure that you're making the most of your tax planning opportunities. In conclusion, by following these tax tips and staying informed about changes to tax laws and regulations, you can maximize your tax savings and keep more of your hard-earned money. So, start implementing these strategies today and take control of your finances.